What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Krystal Palace. This weekend we are staying at Universal Endless Summer Surfside Inn and Suites. I'm excited to check out this resort. We stayed over at Dockside before, but now we're going to check out Surfside. We'll do a resort tour, we'll do a room tour, all of that good stuff. Let's go check it out. So just for reference, that is Endless Summer Dockside. I'll link in the description our tour from Dockside. And then right to the right of it, here's Surfside. But we're staying here this weekend, so let's go head inside. It is right on the corner of Universal Boulevard and International Drive. All right, so here is the lobby guest drop-off. And then to the right, there's the parking garage if you are parking your car. Parking here is $15 a night. Let's head into the lobby. I love this wave. It's like very surfer themed. And here's the resort. It's definitely smaller than Dockside, but that's not a bad thing. It's less floors, and that means it's a little quieter. Okay, and here we go into the lobby. Welcome to Endless Summer Surfside, everyone. Ooh, all right. To the left here, we have the check-in desks. They have 4 check-in desks. Once again, with like the surfer theme. It kind of looks like surfboards up here. This way, there's car rental services, Tower 1, floors 2 through 9, luggage services, and resort shuttle is that way, and the Universal Studios store. We're gonna head over there, but let's just check out this lobby area first. In the middle, we have these fun-looking stone seats. And of course, these really cool surfboards that say Surfside. Over this way, we have more seating. If you're waiting for your car or anything, we have more seating over here. These have some chargers, which is nice. Tower 2 is this way, as well as the game room, the fitness center, the sandbar, and elevators to Tower 2. And of course, we have a Starbucks. And more seating. They have a lot of great seating over here. They have these nice little benches. And here is also the Beach Break Cafe. So just to turn around and give you a sense of where we are. That was the door we entered in over there. And now we are right in front of the Beach Break Cafe. In the Beach Break Cafe, it's kind of a tongue twister. To the right, we have some seating. And then to the left is the actual food. We have 2 cash registers, which is not a lot, honestly. And here are the food options. They have grab and go, and they have food to go. You know, they have hot food. Here are the refillable souvenir cups, and here are the prices. All right, so this is the Beach Break Cafe. And the seating all over there. They do have a lot of seating. It's not that big, but they do have a lot of seating, which is good. So now let's head to the left of the cafe towards Tower 2, the game room, fitness center, sandbar, and guest floors 1 through 9. They have an ATM right next to the game room in case you forget your money. Here's the game room. The room key is required. I have mine, but there it is. There's the game room. And right next to it is the fitness center. Open daily, 5 a.m. to 10 p.m., room key required. And at the end of this hallway, here are the elevators to Tower 2. These are pretty far away. We have a really great room location. You guys will say, but oh, here's the gym. It's pretty big. They have nice techno gym equipment in here. Nice. Nobody in here. All right, so yeah, here are the elevators for Tower 2. Yeah, they're pretty far down. And then, oh, here's Tower 2 guest rooms on this main floor down here. And right this way, next to the elevators, we can go out to the sandbar. Oh, that's nice. It's right here. There's restrooms outside as well. And here is the sandbar. Let's check out the menu. All right, here's the cocktail menu. Oh, they have a souvenir glass you can get for $14 with $11 refills. Some beverages, frozen beverages, 32 and below, available frozen or on the rocks. Nice. These look good. These look fun. Then they also have some beers. You can get Bud Light, Coors Light, all those good stuff. And then here are the beers that are on tap. On tap, not on top. All right, and then here's the pool, which is right next to the sandbar, of course. So the sandbar also has seating from the inside of the pool, which is cool. And there's surfboards. It's a pretty large size pool. I'm not going to show the pool too much because people are swimming, but that's the pool. There's Tower 1. Behind me is Tower 2. And that's that. Surfside has one big pool compared to Dockside that has two pools. So this pool is right in the middle of both towers. So we're actually at the back of the pool. You can see the pool is behind me. And there's this gate that you can go out. Room keys required to re-enter, of course. And look how nice this is. This is the backside of the hotel. Wow, very nice, very nice. I guess Surfside because it's like on this lake. But that's awesome. So these room views must have a view of this. And this tower as well. Oh, and there's Dockside right there. All right, now we're back in right where we came out, and we're gonna head back into the lobby, and we'll head over to the other side. All right, so we'll pass Starbucks just to show you guys where this hallway leads. So here are Tower 2 elevators for floors 3 through 9. So yeah, some more Tower 2 elevators. And then I guess the other ones are for if you're coming from the pool, or you wanna go down to the pool, you can hop off right there. There's also a door to the parking garage right in this hallway as well. And good to know, they have a water bottle refill station right here. All right, and now we're back at the front of the lobby. Here's Will Call kiosk booth. If you want to just swipe it, you can pick up your tickets, or you can go to the ticket booth and pick up your tickets there. And to walk straight across to the other side is a hallway to Tower 1, as well as a Universal Studios store. So here is the store that they have, pretty much your typical resort store. You know, they have your Harry Potter merch, they have your Universal Studios merch. It's Halloween Horror Nights right now, so they have Halloween Horror Nights merch. They have your toiletries if you forget anything that you might need. And they have endless summer specific merchandise as well. Mugs, shirts, shot glass, a coaster, pins. All right, and then to the right of the store, Tower 1, elevators, and luggage services. So if you want to leave your luggage here while you're waiting for your rooms to be ready, or you want to head to the parks, you can leave it right here. Also, right down this way is the entrance to the resort shuttle / rideshare pickup. So if you head outside here is the bus stop where you can hop on your bus. You may be curious about the bus transportation at the Endless Summer Resorts. We got super lucky. Pretty much every time we went to get a bus, it was there waiting for us, and they don't take off right away. They wait for people to get on the bus. The longest we had to wait was about 12 minutes. Sometimes they even had those coach buses there for us, which was really nice. It was air conditioning, and I have no complaints about the bus transportation. All right, so at the back of the lobby, you can get out to the pool again. You can go right, that's the cafe over there. Or you can go left to Tower 1. And this is actually where our room is. So down here is the backside of the Universal Studios store. You just cut through here and we'll show you our room, which our room is pretty cool. We actually weren't even supposed to be on the first floor, but then they had to change our room and they were like, oh, is the first floor okay? But it actually worked out really well because we're super close. So here's what the hallways look like. And here is our room. You guys, oh hey, I'm so glad to see you. Come on in. Here is our room at Endless Summer Surfside Resort. We are on the first floor. We're room 1121, Tower 1, floor 1, room 21. That's how it works here. So let's show you guys the room. When you walk in the door, I'll just show you guys a map. So here we are, actually. Here's the lobby. We're pretty close. We have a really nice located room. If you're like all the way over here, like that's kind of far walk, but we got lucky. We got a good spot. So when you walk in, they have this mirror with hooks, very similar to Dockside. If you see my Dockside hotel tour and room video, they have that same mirror. Then we're headed over here and we have the bathroom area. So here is the vanity, the mirror. That's me. What's up? Here's the vanity. We got some towels, some shelves over here. Get soap. Hair dryer is in the wall. towels, you know, all that good stuff. Then to the right, we have the bathroom, which is separate from the vanity area. There's the door, and here is the toilet and the shower. It's a curtain shower with a tub. And I'm gonna turn on the faucet. That's what the shower pressure looks like, if anyone was wondering what the faucet looks like. Okay, and then you have a clothesline in there. So yeah, that's the shower. You get some shampoo and conditioner, all that stuff. Then behind me, we have this closet, which is just like not really a closet, it's just like a sheet. That running noise is the tub, by the way. Let me shut that. All right, so it has this curtain, and we have some extra pillows and things up there. And then we have an ironing board, an iron, a safe, and a luggage rack. But there's a lot of places to put your luggage, you'll see. So here we go into the room area. To the left, they give you this little cube box thing. We put our luggage on there. It has storage in there as well. And then you have, this is the refrigerator. Of course, you know, the standard. We have a Cuisinart coffee maker, some coffee. This is an ice bucket. That's our stuff, don't mind that. Eat, sleep, surf with a TV. And then you got some 3 drawers there, the garbage. Here is a map of the hotel. Tower 1, Tower 2, the lobby. D is the parking garage, and this is where resort pickup, where the buses are. And then obviously the pool's in here. So it is smaller than dockside, but it's nice so far. Here's a TV, phone. Then over here we have a chair, you know, it's a chair and a lamp. And here's a big window. I'll show you guys what it looks like during the day, what our view is. We're on the first floor, so we have a pool view, a room, and of course the 2 queen beds. I wanted to give a shout out to these lamps. I'm not sure if I did in my dockside video, but these are pretty cool because you could be laying in bed and shut your light on and off. It's cool. We have some artwork up here, and of course some Endless Summer Surfside hand sanitizer. So here is our room view. You know, we have the pool view room, and you don't get to see much of the pool, but it's all right for us. Our room is ready, so we just took it. I will say 2 things though about these rooms here at Surfside. This room in particular, we hear the music from the pool extremely loud at night. It ends at 10 p.m. So if you're back here before 10 p.m., the music is blaring. We're so tired at the end of the day that like it's fine. We can go to sleep anyway, but just something to keep in mind. Also, the walls are pretty thin at this resort. So if you have loud neighbors, you know, you gotta keep that in mind. But overall, I'm really happy with our room location, and it's a great value resort here at Universal. Thank you all so much for watching this Endless Summer Surfside Resort and Room Tour. If you enjoyed it or you found it helpful, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. I like all of Universal resorts. I really don't have many complaints about any of them. My goal is to stay at all of them, so be sure to stay tuned here to the Krystal Palace so you can see all of the Universal Orlando hotels. I will link the other resort tours that I've done in the description right down below. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more fun here on the Krystal Palace. Peace.